Welcome to Compare to Win. The best dash cam is probably one of the most essential pieces of technology for any modern driver, offering peace of mind and invaluable evidence in case of an accident or unexpected event on the road. This small yet powerful device continuously records your driving, capturing everything from scenic routes to crucial moments, ensuring you're always protected and have a reliable witness. Whether you're commuting daily, embarking on a long road trip, or simply want an extra layer of security, a dash cam provides a comprehensive view of your journey, safeguarding your driving experience. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Experience unparalleled clarity with Ultra HD 2160p recording. This device captures every detail, offering a significant difference in video quality compared to other dash cams. Its advanced night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low light conditions. Instantly view and manage your recordings with the dedicated app on your smartphone. Download your 4K videos quickly and share them effortlessly on social media. Accurately record your driving location and speed with the built-in GPS. Review your routes on Google Maps through the app or the provided player. Enjoy hassle-free, over-the-air firmware updates. This dashboard camera is equipped with a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, and state-of-the-art features like parking mode, motion detection, and loop recording. It also includes a G-sensor for emergency video locking and time-lapse capabilities. As a USA-based company, we offer a full 1-year warranty and dedicated customer care. Contact us via text or email for prompt assistance with any questions or issues. What we like. Experience crystal clear footage with 4K UHD recording. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 allows for quick and easy transfer of videos to your smartphone. If you prioritize top-tier video quality and seamless connectivity for sharing or reviewing, this is the one to consider. What people say. The dashcam has a clear and crisp video quality, capturing details even in low light conditions. It features a wide-angle lens that covers a broad field of view, ensuring more of the road is recorded. The loop recording function automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full, so you don't have to worry about storage space. Number 4. REDTIGER F7NP 4K Dash Cam. Experience crystal clear recordings with our advanced dash cam. It captures every detail in stunning 4K resolution at the front and 1080p at the rear, ensuring you have reliable evidence day or night. Equipped with the cutting-edge Starvis 2 sensor and a large aperture, this device delivers exceptional clarity even in low light. Its WDR and HDR technology ensures sharp night vision and balanced lighting for enhanced safety on every drive. Connect effortlessly to your smartphone with our built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for ultra-fast downloads. The intuitive app allows you to preview, download, and manage your recordings, including GPS data, with ease. Never miss a moment with seamless loop recording that automatically overwrites older files. A complimentary memory card is included, providing ample storage for your 4K recordings right out of the box. Enjoy peace of mind with round-the-clock protection. It offers 2 parking modes, including time-lapse recording and G-sensor mode, which automatically locks important clips when a collision is detected, even while parked. Built with a high-reliability supercapacitor, this device offers safer performance and a longer lifespan, even in hot climates. It's designed for improved heat resistance and reliable operation during long parking hours. This dash cam is backed by an 18-month worry-free warranty and responsive customer support. We recommend using only original or officially recommended accessories for optimal and safe performance. What we like. Capture exceptional detail day or night with the advanced Starvis 2 sensor. It comes with a free memory card, so you can start recording right away. If you're looking for a reliable dual-channel system with excellent low-light performance and the convenience of an included card, this is a great choice. What people say. High quality and great clear playback. Easy install and setup with app, comes with MEM card which is very convenient. We purchased the F7N REDTIGER camera about 18 months ago and it has now paid for itself 100x over when it provided evidence to the police and insurance that my wife was not the one at fault in an accident that totaled her vehicle and the other party lied to the police. Crystal clear video, front at 4K and back at 2K, produce high-resolution video where you can read license plates and even identify who was driving another vehicle. Even more importantly, it has a good app that you can use to directly download video from the cam without pulling the card and taking it to a computer. The picture quality is great, front and back, and the service is excellent. Number 3. WOLFBOX G840S 12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. See the road like never before with upgraded 4K UHD clarity on the front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The expansive 12-inch display significantly reduces blind spots, offering a much safer driving experience. Stay connected with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and real-time GPS tracking. Easily view, playback, and share your recordings on your smartphone using our dedicated app. Enjoy a broader field of view with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses. The smart split-screen function lets you monitor both simultaneously on the sleek 2.5D curved display. Drive with confidence day or night. Advanced technology reduces reflections and balances lighting, ensuring clear images even in challenging conditions. Keep your vehicle protected even when parked. The time-lapse mode provides continuous surveillance, conserving power and storage. We stand behind our product with attentive customer service and a 12-month guarantee. Please use only original accessories for optimal performance. What we like. Upgrade your driving view with a massive 12-inch mirror display that significantly reduces blind spots. It offers 4K clarity for the front camera and integrates seamlessly as your rearview mirror. If you want enhanced safety and a wider field of vision, especially for larger vehicles or those concerned about blind spots, this mirror dash cam is ideal. What people say. The app has the ability to save your videos and preview them on your phone or on the dash cam itself. It's laid out very easy to understand and you get a lot of little bonuses with the features. GPS, Wi-Fi transfer, the quality is excellent, sharp and crisp video. The 12-view display is very sharp and clear, the wide-angle lenses show everything and more, the GPS is accurate, and the rear-facing camera works very well, especially if you hook up the wire to the backup light so the unit displays the adjustable backup lines. Very useful in parking lots. The variety of settings and adjustments are impressive and useful. Excellent video playback, clear and visible, not grainy at all. Really easy to use. Has a few different settings. For my child I put on the speed alerts, that kept them aware, especially since a lot of the roads are average speed near us. Can be hardwired for continuous recording. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Experience dual-channel recording with stunning 4K clarity at the front and crisp 1080p at the rear. Capture every detail of your journey with ultra-wide angles, ensuring you see more of the road ahead and behind. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 image sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality even in challenging lighting. Its wide apertures ensure brighter, clearer recordings, day or night. Connect instantly to your smartphone with built-in 5G Wi-Fi. Download your recorded videos at speeds up to 20 MB SEC directly to your phone for easy sharing and management. With built-in GPS, you can view your live speed and compass directly on the screen. It precisely records your driving routes and locations, providing valuable evidence when needed. This device is packed with state-of-the-art technology, including motion detection, G-sensor, loop recording, and a built-in supercapacitor for extended life. It also supports large microSD cards up to 1 TB. Enjoy continuous protection with its custom-designed 24-hour parking mode, offering time-lapse, motion, and collision detection. You'll receive voice alerts for any recorded events when you return to your car. What we like. Get comprehensive coverage with dual-channel recording, featuring a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures outstanding image quality in all conditions. If you need robust front and rear protection with the fastest Wi-Fi speeds for quick access to your footage, this dual camera system is a top contender. What people say. ROVE pick quality is the best. Interface is easy simple. Install easy and unlike my experience with other brands, the app is extremely fast to share, download and review. Designed to capture both front and rear views in stunning 4K resolution, this dash cam ensures that every detail on the road is recorded with absolute precision. The camera itself feels even better than expected, you can notice the quality just by touch. From the lens cover to the screen protector, everything is well fitted and carefully designed. Number 1. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dash Cam. Experience your drives in breathtaking 4K UHD clarity with our front camera, and capture everything behind you in 1080p. Enhanced with Starvis 2, WDR, and HDR, it ensures clear recordings day and night, even in low light. Control your dashcam hands-free with simple voice commands, keeping your focus on the road. The intuitive touchscreen allows for quick actions like locking footage or turning on Wi-Fi with just a tap. Connect wirelessly to your smartphone via our app for fast 20 MB downloads and real-time sharing. Built-in GPS accurately tracks your location, speed, and route, providing essential data for your journeys. Never worry about running out of space thanks to loop recording and the included 128 GB card. The integrated G sensor automatically protects crucial footage in case of sudden impacts or events. Keep an eye on your vehicle even when parked. It automatically records collisions or motion, and time-lapse mode offers a condensed overview of any activity. Setting it up is a breeze with the included suction cup and tools for hiding wires. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month guarantee and dedicated 24/7 customer support. What we like. Control your dashcam effortlessly with voice commands and a smart touchscreen. It includes a generous 128 GB card, so you're ready to go. If you value convenience, ease of use, and hands-free operation while driving, this model with its intuitive controls and ample storage is perfect for you. What people say. 4K all around, and the player you get from the website even has a zoom feature. The suction cup mount is strong, and I really like the touchscreen. It makes operation simple and intuitive. Video quality is great, night times and day times. Screen is large and clear enough to view the status of the recording, but camera is not bulky, fits perfectly. Design is nice and compact, very easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.